welcome back to the Happy Way Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really healthy clean take on a hazelnut Nutella inspired shake. So what I've got is some hazelnut milk, some frozen chopped banana, coconut butter, some hazelnut nut butter, and I've got a really healthy alternative to Nutella. It's the panna chocolate hazelnut and chocolate spread. And I'm going to be using the Happy Way cacao powder and the Happy Way chocolate protein powder, the vegan version today. So all I'm going to do is add the ingredients into the blender, blend until nice and smooth, and then pour into a glass and serve. I hope you enjoy this recipe.